Welcome to Canteen Cup Tuesday. A few weeks ago, Mel Negri, Negri, he asked me about doing fried chicken on the trail. I wasn't so sure about this. Chicken on the trail, that brings a whole host of problems. Then I had a bit of an epiphany. So here we go. We're going to do fried chicken in the Canteen Cup. Alright, fried chicken on the trail. Crazy, right? Well, look here. I think I found a way. Now, carrying raw chicken on the trail causes a whole nest of issues. I wouldn't recommend it. Don't take chicken on the trail. But we've got these shelf-stable cooked chicken. We're going to use some Autry House chicken breader. And the reality is this is cooked, so we're just going to bread it up and cook the breading and warm the chicken. I'm going to make one batch that's just chicken. I'm going to make a second batch that's buffalo chicken. Now I chose the Frank's wing sauce because Frank's hot sauce seems to be in most of the buffalo wing sauce recipes I looked up online. Now something else I've got here at the grocery store over by the prepared salads, they've got little packets of dressings they sell. They're 49 cents. I've got some blue cheese to go along with the buffalo wings. And then over by their prepared chicken wing bar, they've got some other little dipping trays. So we've got some honey mustard for 50 cents. And we have some ranch dressing for 50 cents. All of which is shelf stable and you could take on the trail with you. So let's get this guy started. It won't take long and I'm hungry. And frankly, I just wrapped up my 5th 12-hour shift and I'm tired. I've got to go back and work another 12-hour shift tonight. Okay, so let's see if this chicken has any moisture to it at all. I brought some water in case we need to wet it up so the breading will stick. But this is the no drain packages. That's what the grocery store had. I tested this out using a can of chicken that was in water, and so it was already wet, and I just dumped it in a Ziploc baggie with some of that breading and shook it around. Worked just fine. It's not completely dry, but for the most part it is. So I'm gonna put some water in there and wet it up, dump the water, and then we'll put the breading in and shake it around. Now, you only need a little bit of oil, just enough to cover like half a piece of chicken. Just that simple. Fried chicken on the trail. Alright, let me get all this cooked up and we'll come back. Alright, get this last batch in, and then we're going to buffalo up one of these bowls. How they say it? Frank's. I put that on everything. Wee! It's gonna be some good dinner this morning. Yeah, I said this morning. I work night shift. It was busy out here this morning. What do y'all think? Have we made fried chicken? Let's see, we got some ranch dipping sauce. We got some honey mustard. Man, I'm gonna have a feast over here. Honey mustard. Now these packets, they don't, they're in a pack, so I brought something. Brought some blue cheese for the buffalo. Gotta have blue cheese for the buffalo wings, right? Honestly, I usually get ranch. I like it better. There you go, fried chicken on the trail. I mean, come on, y'all. And buffalo wings? Heck yeah. Yeah, we brought a little special reserve to go with the fried chicken. This is a Boker snack pack meal here. Need that little guy right there for poking. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Frank's buffalo sauce is spot on. Let's go traditional and hit that guy with a little blue cheese. Man. Alright, well there you guys go. There's fried chicken on the trail. We'll see you out there.